Following up from the previous top 10 crypto research tools video, we're going to provide you with another top 10 that we think are essential to have and use in the world of DeFi. For those who didn't watch the last video of the 10 tools, we will leave that link down below, but we hope you're ready for some more game-changing crypto tools. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Friends, let's dive straight into the video. Okay, my friends, so we're going to once again start off with another 10 crypto tools, 10 of which weren't explained in the last video, and 10 of which you may find very helpful. Now, like I said, we've already made another video covering 10 crypto research tools, and therefore, if you want to check out this video, we're going to leave it linked in the description below. Like I said, it has many popular tools such as Bubble Maps, Arkham Intel, Artemis, Token Sniffer, and many other tools that I mentioned in that video that I use quite regularly. Now, I'm going to be providing as many tools on the YouTube channel as possible, so you can have the best tools while researching on your favorite or even newest cryptocurrencies that are launched. These are exactly the tools that I use, my friends, and therefore I want to share them all with you. However, why don't we now start off with the first crypto tool of this video, the DappRadar, and as you can see, we are on the website, which is DappRadar.com, and here you can discover every decentralized application in the world of Web3. Now, I'm going to briefly go through this website like I'm going to do with all of these 10 tools. I'm not going to give you full tutorials and rundowns as we will be here for hours. Nonetheless, if you would like to see any of these crypto tools with a specific tutorial or review, please let us know in the comment section down below and we will see what we can do. However, DappRadar allows you to explore all sorts of decentralized applications, games, hot contracts, NFTs, DeFi applications, tokens, chains, quests, airdrops, alerts, and even check out your portfolio all under one hood, the DappRadar. Now, you can learn everything you need to know on this website here, guys. You can see down below that they have listed 16,746 decentralized applications, 51,164 NFT collections across 66 blockchains. Now, guys, they are integrating all of the biggest and best blockchains onto this platform in order to give you the best analytics and statistics so that you can find new decentralized applications in whichever chains you are looking for. As you can see, we can see the top dApps at the moment. So Carve, which is available on all of these networks such as Cyber, OPBNB, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Ronin, Phantom, Arbitrum, others, ZK-Sync, Linear. Then we've got Radium, which is the leading decentralized exchange to Solana. We've got Hotgame, apparently the leading dApp on the Near protocol. We've got the Particle Network, Kai-Ching, Din, Revox, Pixels, World of Dipians, Seraph, and others that we can also explore. However, my friends, I'm also going to tell you that you must be aware of some of the projects that are launching on here. Not all of them are going to be safe and great applications, and therefore you must proceed with caution. Nonetheless, the platform they provide you guys is absolutely incredible. For example, if we scroll up to the top, I'm just going to briefly show you. If you explore Web3, if we go to trending, for example, here you'll be able to find everything that is trending under one dashboard. We've got the hot contracts, which you're going to need to have an account. You've got the Web3 ecosystem, which you can explore. So for example, if we wanted to narrow it down by chains, here you can see that we have 66 blockchains for us to choose from. Absolutely nuts. This is crazy. However, let's just say, for example, we wanted to find the applications on the Solana network. We would click apply, and here, guys, you would be able to find all sorts of applications on the Solana network of which you can do your research and start finding some dApps of which you want to use. Now, there are also things such as ranking, so you can find the best dApps by categories or by volume or by balance, for example. We've got best chains you can narrow it down by. You can see rewards tab, so you can earn rewards on the DappRadar platform. Obviously, like we said, you can check out your portfolio and so much more. However, my friends, basically this is DappRadar in a nutshell. It allows you to explore the entirety of Web3 all in one place, whether that's tokens, NFTs, and especially decentralized applications, ranging from decentralized exchanges to borrowing and lending protocols to games. Everything you can find on the DappRadar across 66 blockchains and more to come. Now, like I said, we're going to leave it short and sweet. However, moving on to the next tool, which is going to be number 2, and that is going to be Blockpour, a multi-chain analytics platform, which I believe believe is absolutely incredible. This one I actually use quite a lot. To get the best out of this platform, I must say you're going to need to sign up and get the premium version. Nonetheless, you can do all the research on your own. However, you can see that we can check statistics across many popular networks such as Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, soon to be Sonic, Moonbeam, Optimism, Arbitrum, BNB Chain, Algorand, Base, and many more to come. However, on the homepage, guys, you'll be able to see the highest trades, the highest trade value, unique liquidity pools, the top tokens by DEX volume, the most unique traders on which networks. Guys, you can see all sorts of statistics on the Blockpour platform, enabling you to discover where all the action is taking place, whether or not it's on the Base network, whether it's on the Polygon network, you name it. As you can see, we've got all sorts of statistics that you can check out and research in order to get the best outcomes. It is completely up to you which analytics you are looking for. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. However, Blockpour is a fantastic platform that I use in the world of Web3. As you can see, we've got top movers down here. You can see top tokens such as AVAX, ETH, Phantom, and like I said, if you want to get the most out of this platform, you're going to need to get the premium version. However, here we can see all sorts of tokens that are popular, that have high trading volume. You can see all the statistics alongside it. On the left hand side, once again, we've got Network Pulse, which is new. This is a multi-chain explorer similar to, say, for example, Etherscan or SolScan. You can see everything that is going on the network, whether that's the total on-chain volume, whether that's the trade size, whether that's in terms of liquidity pools. They are integrating all the best information from every single network, such as Ethereum, Polygon, and all the others that I mentioned. Now, this is one of my coolest implementations that has come to Blockpour, the Network Pulse, but there are so many other things that you can check out, guys, such as the liquidity pools across all networks that are integrated. You can favorite tokens, you can do wallet recon. Therefore, if you want to start becoming a detective in the world of Web3, then this is a place to start. However, guys, this is Blockpour in a nutshell, and that's why we are now going to move on to the third tool of this video, and that is going to be a platform focusing on a huge narrative that I think is going to be game changing, and that is rwa.xyz. Here, investors, issuers, and service providers use rwa.xyz to understand tokenized asset markets. So as you all know, guys, I'm extremely bullish on the RWA narrative, and therefore, if you're also bullish on the RWA narrative, or if you are new to this narrative, which is the real world assets narrative, then I would highly recommend using this platform in order to do some research. Now, guys, I'm not saying that this is the platform that is going to give you all the alpha, but it will definitely help you along your research, and therefore that's why I use it to help me before investing in any cryptocurrencies. Now, I'm going to launch the dashboard, and from here, guys, you'll be able to see everything that you need to know about RWA. And then as soon as you're prompted on the homepage, guys, you'll be able to see all sorts of statistics when it goes to the global market overview of RWA assets, including stablecoins as well. Here, for example, you can see the total RWA value broken down by private credit, US Treasury debt, commodities, corporate bonds, non-US government debt, and stocks. On the left hand side, you can see all the latest news coverage regarding RWA. On the left hand side, again, we can see stable coins. Therefore, you can see the total market cap, which is $171 billion. You can see the monthly transfer volume, the monthly active addresses, the holders, all sorts of information and infographics regarding stable coins. Absolutely fantastic. And this is vital to keep an eye on, in my personal opinion. On the left again, US Treasuries. Now this one's a wicked one we can get an overview of. We can scroll down, see the top entities such as Ondo Finance, which is a token that I hold and we've mentioned many times. You can see issuers, networks, jurisdiction, country, and so on. Global bonds. You can scroll down and see everything about the global bonds metrics and the information behind it. Once again, private credit, commodities, stocks. Guys, everything is here. You've got a company directory as well. Therefore, you can see all the protocols that are focusing on tokenization, even upcoming ones as well. Therefore, we can get all the alpha on new RWA protocols that are coming out. You can filter it down by tokenization protocols, infra and service providers, DeFi protocols, for example. So we've got Anzen, Baki, Balancer, Bloom, Chainlink, which is a huge one, obviously, I've mentioned many times before. Curve. Guys, there are so many here and so many we can start researching into. And who knows, there could very well be a micro cap crypto gem ready to explode, and we can get there first. So do your research on the rwa.xyz platform, guys. This is one of my favorite platforms to use, especially when it comes to RWA and looking at stablecoins. And therefore, once again, I'm going to leave it linked in the description below. And we're now going to move on to the next tool, which will be number 4. And that is going to be DefiLlama, which we're on the website DefiLlama.com. Now, guys, to be honest with you, when it comes to DeFi statistics, this is probably the best dashboard that you can find. It's so simple to go through, and you can narrow down any information that you are looking to find, whether that's on chains, whether that is the complete overview of the world of Web3. As you can see, the top protocols down below are Lido, Eigenlayer, Aave, Maker, EtherFi. If you scroll down, you can see all of them, guys. absolutely wicked. However, on the left hand side, if you wanted to now focus on chains, so the best networks, whether it's layer 1s or layer 2s, if you scroll down, you can now see that we've got Ethereum, Tron, Solana, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, Avalanche, Blast, Scroll are currently the top 10 networks when it comes to total value locked, aka TVL anyway. However, if you wanted to filter it down by the best networks with the largest volume in the last 24 hours, you can do so, and you can see that these are the best networks within the last 24 hours, which have a lot of volume going on the networks. Nonetheless, once again, on the left hand side, guys, you can see all sorts of statistics. I'm not going to go through them all, but you've got bridge TVL, so you can see everything over here regarding bridge TVL for all chains. We've got comparison of chains as well. So for example, if you wanted to compare Optimism and Arbitrum, two leading layer 2 networks, here you'll be able to compare everything between TVL. You'll be able to see the fees, you can compare the treasury, the price between tokens, the market cap between tokens, the FDV, which is the fully diluted value. Guys, this is absolutely wicked and something I like to do. If you go on the left hand side, once again, you can check out airdrop opportunities. Make sure to be very cautious here, guys. Check out the TVL, check out when it was listed, because I would be very cautious. Some of these are very, very dodgy and could very well be scammed. But once again, on the left hand side, you can see treasuries, you can see oracles, forks, top protocols. Going down on the left hand side again, you can check out yields. You can even swap on DefiLlama. You can check out NFT statistics. You can see unlocks, so token unlocks for the Maverick protocol, Dinero, Sui Foundation, when they are coming, everything about how much is coming out, everything that you need to know. We've got a borrow aggregator, centralized exchange transparency platform, bridges information, governance, liquidations, volumes. Guys, this is probably one of the most extensive crypto tools out there, and if you're not using DefiLlama to do your research, well, I think you're very behind, and this is a key tool that I like to use pretty much on a daily basis. This is DefiLlama. Once again, it will be linked in the description below. It's DefiLlama.com. And now we are going to move on to the next tool, and this is for all the cosmonauts, because everyone in the Cosmos community is going to love this tool if you don't know about it already. MapOfZones is a protocol dedicated to Cosmos community members, and here you can check out all the 91 IBC enabled networks within the Cosmos ecosystem, ranging from Noble, Osmosis, DYDX, Celestia, Neutron, Say, Cosmos Hub, Axelar, Carbon, Kava, Stride, Injective, Secret, Akash, Kujira, Dimension. Guys, you can see so many huge networks, many of which we've mentioned in our YouTube videos. However, on this website, guys, you can check out everything from the biggest and best IBC enabled platforms. So for example, Osmosis. Here you can narrow it down by IBC volume, the total transactions in the last 24 hours, the token price, the market cap. You can see zone details. So for example, all the activity in the last day, week, month, everything about the token, the supply, the staking, the transactions, the IBC transfers, the daily active addresses, the returned addresses, and everything that you need to know regarding the Osmosis network or any network within the Cosmos ecosystem. To me, guys, this is an absolutely incredible platform, and even here you can check out the top tokens within the ecosystem, such as Celestia, the Atom token, Sei, Kronos, Provenance, Injective, Dimension, Fetch AI, Saga, DYDX, Akash, Axelar, Terra Classic, Neutron, Terra, Kava, Osmosis, Noble, XPLA, Band, Terra Classic, SGE, Function X, Kudos, so many more, guys. You can check it out by market cap, by volume, by the price change in the last day, week, or whatever you wish. Up the top, once again, you can check it out by IBC transfers. This enables you to actually move assets between different networks. So for example, if I wanted to move tokens from, I don't know, the Celestia network over to the, I don't know, the Akash network, I can select the token. Whatever it may be is completely up to you. As long as it's compatible, you can shift it. You can check them all out down here. Let's just say Osmo. You would choose how much and then bridge it. Absolutely awesome. But most of the time, you would use this feature just to check out all of the best networks. You would do it to check out all of the best tokens within the Cosmos ecosystem and get all the data that would help you. Nonetheless, my friends, this is MapOfZones, and like I said, we're going to leave it linked in the description below. We're on the website of MapOfZones.com, but let's move on to the next tool, which is now going to be number 6, and that is going to be Dune Analytics, which is the website dune.com. This is an absolutely amazing community data platform, which enables you to check out all sorts of data across 60 plus blockchains. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see everything that you need to know about Dune Analytics. I'm going to show you an example as well. However, over, you can discover over 750,000 insights and community dashboards, track essential metrics for DeFi, NFTs, and projects or tokens at a granular level. Trusted by 6,000 Web3 teams and enterprises such as Solana, such as Polygon, Optimism, WorldCoin, Polkadot, Boost, Consensus, Bancor, Gitcoin, Paradigm, ARK Invest, Uniswap, Binance, 1inch, you name it guys, they have got it all on this platform and you can check it all out, and I'm now going to show you an example. So I don't know if you've been watching our new series, We Review Your Altcoins, however we've been covering many different protocols and of course we do our research, and Dune Analytics was one of the tools that we used in the last video. And therefore this is the example I wanted to show you. This is the Jupiter Exchange's official community built dashboard where you can check out everything of the aggregator. So as you can see down below, you can check out the total volume, the total swaps, the total amount of traders, the total amount of volume conducted recently. Everything you need to know about the Jupiter Exchange is listed on this dashboard on the Dune Analytics platform, where you can check out the in-depth analytics and data regarding this exchange. Now personally, I think this is one of the most in-depth platforms when it comes to analytics, and it is all created by the community. Therefore, you must also take it with a pinch of salt. Nonetheless, they have integrated the best information that we need to know about the Jupiter Exchange, even in the last 24 hours, and everything regarding the tokens on the network and the platform that are being swapped. Dune Analytics hosts all the information about the Jupiter Exchange. Now, my friends, Dune Analytics is a fantastic platform which you can check out yourself. So say, for example, I wanted to check out anything on layer 0. Here, for example, you can see a dashboard created by Crypto Dead. It's been starred 7,770 times. You can see that it's got 5 million unique users, 100 million transactions. You can see the users conducted transactions by month, by chain, cumulative transaction count, daily transaction count. Guys, everything you need to know is right here. You can check out all sorts of other dashboards, anything regarding protocols, tokens, whatever you're looking for. Put it in the search bar, take a look at different dashboards and start doing some research. Now, once again, I'm going to leave this one short and sweet, but like I said with all the other tools, if you want an in-depth tutorial and review on any tool in particular, then please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll do our best to do a nice review for you. However, we're now going to move on to the 7th tool of the video, and this is going to be Footprint Analytics, one of my favorite platforms out there in the entirety of Web3 research. I use this almost every single day, or every week in fact. This one you will find all sorts of data that you are looking for. You can try it for free, or you can even upgrade to a premium account to get the best of this platform. But for example, if you sign up and try it for free, you'll be able to see all sorts of research, whether it's GameFi, whether it's chain research, whether it's token research. Guys, you can see everything you need to know on this platform. One in particular, the best on this website in my opinion, is the GameFi research. Here you can discover all the top GameFi protocols, whether it be on a specific network, whether it has a specific token that you're looking for. Guys, you can find all the best information regarding GameFi protocols, how many users are playing the games, how many transactions have been conducted, how many new users. Although a lot of it isn't accurate and updated, this is a fantastic platform to get a footprint into the GameFi world and even the entirety of Web3. So personally guys, maximize the research, look at all of this. You can check it out by games, chains, DeFi, wallet, tokens, and NFTs. They've got different products, they've got different solutions, they've got different reports. So for example, you can analyze the different trends that are taking place. You can take a look at the latest blogs and updates taking place. You can take a look at the documentation behind the Footprint network, what they're all about, how exactly you can maximize the research on this platform. But in a nutshell, my friends, I would just say to take a look at the research tab, find everything you want to know if it comes to GameFi, if it comes to chains in particular. I know I've given you many different tools that will give you information on different chains and protocols. Nonetheless, by collating them all together, you will get the best and most accurate data that you can possibly get by using as many possible tools. Now, personally, guys, I believe that the more tools you have, the better off you'll be. And Footprint Analytics, to have it in your toolbox, and you can even check out our full tutorial and review on this platform, which I'll leave linked in the description below. However, moving on to the 8th tool of the video, we are now showing you DEXScreener, and I know this one may be simple that you already have in your toolbox, but for many of you who are new to the world of crypto and Web3, you may not even know what DEXScreener is, and this, in my opinion, is the very best decentralized exchange price tracker where you can find all sorts of new tokens that are coming out, whether that's on the Solana network, whether that's on Ethereum, Binance, Arbitrum, Base, Osmosis, Polygon, Tron. Guys, as you can see, they've got so many different networks which you can check out, and of course see all the new tokens, all the best tokens, for example on Combo, on OneChain, on for example Kronos, on ZK Sync, Avalanche. Guys, whatever network you're looking for, you can find the top movers. You can see what's going on each and every network. For example, on the Binance Binance Smart Chain. Simon's Cat is number one at the moment, as you can see, when it comes to trending. If you were to filter it down by anything, for example, market cap, or if you wanted to filter it down by best liquidity, you can find every single infographic on the DEXScreener tab. Now, for example, another thing that we can check out is if I wanted to find a token on Solana and I wanted to go to this Andy token, for example, on the right hand side, what it's going to do is it's going to tell you all sorts of information. You can check out the liquidity, so you can see that the total liquidity has been locked, well, 99.75% of it anyway. You can see the FDV, the market cap. You can scroll down and add it to your watch list. You can even buy and sell it through DEXScreener. Scroll down, you can check out the Explorer. You can scroll down and check out a brief audit conducted by DEXScreener themselves, so you can see it's not mintable or freezable. You can see community votes, so people are very bullish on Andy. You can see the rockets compared to the fire, the poo emoji, and the red flag. You can scroll down and get straight to their X page or even their Telegram page. Scroll back again and you can see everything that you need to know regarding the token purchases. Obviously, looking at the chart, if you are one to read charts, then obviously you can utilize all these tools such as the fib retracement, all the trend lines, and so on. I don't know actually how to do all of this stuff, but the tools are there for you to utilize. Nonetheless, on DEXScreener, guys, a new feature that we actually covered and a tutorial that we've actually made is on the Moonshot protocol, which is similar to pump.fun. Here you can find new meme coins that are pumping on the Solana network, whether that's Apo, Analos, Aristocats, Don, Bomber, Gold Standard, Oba, SSD, guys. There's so many different meme coins that you can try and jump into. Yes, this is very risky. However, the tool is here and people are actually making a fortune. I'm not saying that you're going to become a millionaire by using this platform, guys, but people do seem to make money. However, there are many risks involved. But guys, in a nutshell, on DEXScreener, you can utilize so many different features. It's all about tracking different cryptocurrencies, whether that's the newest meme coin, whether that's a old meme coin that you are looking for, or any cryptocurrency in the entirety of crypto, you will find it on DEXScreener. You can add tokens to your watch list so you can get an overview of all your favorite cryptocurrencies or your portfolio. You can get alerts on different cryptocurrencies, whether a token has hit a certain price you are looking for. You can add multi-charts, therefore you can add like 12 different charts into one page. Therefore, you don't have to go through page after page after page if you are obviously doing trading all day long. You can check out new pairs, gainers and losers. You can add your portfolio if you want to connect your wallet. Guys, there's so much you can do on here, and I highly recommend utilizing DEXScreener to its maximum capabilities because it is a platform I use on a daily basis or even sometimes an hourly basis when it comes to the weekend. However, guys, that is the 8th tool, and we're going to leave this one short and sweet, but it's one of my favorites. But now for number 9, another one of my favorites, that is going to be Layer 3. And Layer 3 is a platform that we've mentioned many times in our YouTube channel. We've done airdrop tutorials, we've done reviews, tutorials, all sorts, and we've covered Layer 3. This is one of my favorite platforms. I actually use this every single day, and you can see that right here. As I click GM, this is going to be my 392nd day using this platform. And by all means, guys, I'm not stopping anytime soon. Layer 3 also has their very own token, of which I'm bullish on. I'm staking their token. But the whole purpose of this platform, guys, is that you can explore all sorts of different decentralized applications across many different networks. You can also get your hands on many different airdrops by utilizing this platform. That's exactly what I've done. It takes you step by step through many different networks, many different protocols. It teaches you about crypto. It teaches you about all the newest protocols that are launching on the Layer 3 platform. They've got all sorts of quests for all sorts of users. We've got test nets, we've got all sorts of rewards. Guys, this is a hub where you will get addicted to, in my opinion, and Web3 becomes really fun because Layer 3 have made it so. Now, personally, guys, I would highly recommend using Layer 3. I'm going to leave it linked in the description below, but like I said, it's all about learning about new protocols, discovering new protocols, new airdrop opportunities. You can even utilize the trade feature. Therefore, you can swap tokens on popular networks such as Ethereum, Optimism, Binance, Gnosis, Polygon, ZK Sync, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, or Aurora, and you can even bridge tokens to and from many popular EVM networks, such as obviously other networks including Mantle, Mode, Linear, Blast, Zora, Phantom, Metis, Scroll, and so on. If you are looking for airdrop opportunities, if you are looking to discover new applications in the world of Web3, then honestly, guys, this is a great place to do so. I've discovered many new protocols that I absolutely love thanks to Layer 3, and if you're looking to qualify for the next Layer 3 Season 3 airdrop, then of course you can check out our YouTube tutorial which we made very recently on our YouTube channel. As we can see, we've got airdrop 3 right here, and I have got 152 cubes. This is just a brief update, but in the future, guys, we'll be covering another airdrop tutorial for layer 3. Nonetheless, I'm very bullish on the next airdrop, and I'm very bullish on the L3 token, and I absolutely love this platform. This is the 9th tool of the video, my friends, and we are now going to go to the grand finale, and this is going to be Step Finance. Now, Step Finance is similar to DBank. I don't know if you know what DBank is, however, it's a portfolio tracker, but this is dedicated to the Solana network. And as you can see, my friends, I've already got my wallet connected. You can see most of my assets on this network. It actually hasn't integrated everything, but you can see all the tokens I'm holding, including WEN, JUP, JLP, SOL, HUND, Cloud, Parcel. If you scroll down, you can see other things such as yield-bearing assets, including VUSDC, WEN SOL, VWrapped SOL, DSOL, JUP SOL. If you scroll down, you can even see the domains that I own. These aren't all the domains because I actually own some .wen domains. Therefore, this is the only highcryptoguy.sol one that I've bought using Bonfida, aka SNS. Scrolling down, you can see all the liquidity that I've implemented into Medora. You can see where I'm staking. You can see I've got my 414 JUP token stake, which is $311. You can see where I'm yield farming. You can see the vaults. You can see where I'm margin trading. You can see what I'm lending, my friends. You can see everything that you've done in your Solana wallet. Here you can see I've staked across 3 different validators. I've got NFTs worth $137. I didn't even know I had this Hunter NFT, so guys, that is wicked. I could even sell this NFT that I've got, but of course, proceed with caution. Now, my friends, this is a very in-depth portfolio tracker in my opinion, especially when it comes to Solana, and if that's what you're looking for, this in my opinion is the best one. We've also got features such as swap, so you can swap tokens in the Solana network, and it is obviously powered by our very famous and popular Jupiter exchange, which we've done many tutorials, reviews, and even airdrop tutorials on, and you can find that all on our YouTube channel. However, we've also got transaction history, which is a new feature and allows you to check out all the transactions that you've conducted in your wallet. You've also got the NFT gallery, so you can see all the NFTs in your wallet. So for example, this Hunter one, which somehow I've got in my wallet, I have no idea where I got this from. If I click view details, here it will tell me all the details about this NFT. Nonetheless, if I go to referrals, here you can actually earn money when you refer new users to Step. Earn 30% of a referred user's swap fees from anyone who links their account to yours. So guys, if you have friends that want to use this platform, obviously you can create your link and refer your friends and earn 30% of what they swap. It's entirely up to you if you want to use my link in the description below, but I understand if you don't. On the left again, guys, you can see accounts, and you can see another feature, which here it says every token account requires rent. In most cases, when the token balance is 0, you can safely close the account and reclaim the SOL. Step charges a 5% fee for the service, and the amount reclaimed is paid in SOL. Therefore, if I claimed $7.27 of all these tokens, Step Finance would charge 5% and I would be able to claim the rest. However, we've also got staking as well. So on the staking feature, you can stake your Step tokens, of which you can then earn a nice APY of 19.71%. You will receive X Step tokens, and then whenever you want to unstake, you will then receive it back into Step and then swap it into any token in the Solana ecosystem. Not only that, guys, but we've also got one more feature where you can stake your native Solana tokens with the Step Finance validator, of which, as you've seen in many tutorials, I've staked with the Phantom validator, the WEN validator, and other validators. But if you wanted to do Step Finance, this is where you would do it, and you would earn just under 7% APY, which is very nice. Now, my friends, that is Step Finance in a nutshell. It is, in my opinion, the best portfolio tracker for the Solana wallets. However, guys, that is all the 10 tools in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. We are going to be giving you more tools in the future, so stay up to date. This is part 2. Like I said, if you're interested in more tools, we've also got part 1, of which I highly recommend watching if you enjoyed this video. Like I said, with all the other tools, if you want a specific in-depth tutorial on any of the tools that we've mentioned, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we will do our best to do that. I personally believe that by utilizing crypto tools, you can get the best outcomes in the world of crypto when it comes to trading, investing, whatever it is you're doing. Tools are essential for whatever you do in life, not just in the world of crypto, but everything. You wouldn't see a carpenter go and build a shed without a hammer and nails. You wouldn't see an architect draw a plan for a building without a pen or pencil, or even a computer nowadays for that matter. And therefore, that's what I mean. Tools are essential for everything, my friends, no matter what you're doing in life. And that's why we're here to provide you with the best crypto tools. And we hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit that like and subscribe button, because it really shows support on our channel. And we can't wait to see you in the next video. And we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.